My daughter's Hazel. She just had her third birthday party.
From the outside, Hazel looks like any other child.
Yeah, she's just a spunky, outgoing, wild 3-year-old.
But her mom, Julia Leggett, says Hazel is more than that. She's a fighter, diagnosed with cystic fibrosis.
She takes medications every day, multiple times a day. She's been hospitalized.
For Julia, the coronavirus pandemic has been one more thing to worry about, especially with the health of her daughter compromised. She says she and her husband have both received their vaccines. Now she's waiting for Hazel's turn.
The risk of not getting it for us is just too much.
There could be good news. Pfizer announced Tuesday it'll be seeking emergency use authorization from the FDA for use of its COVID-19 vaccine in children as young as 2 as early as this fall. Caleb Phelps, a father of 2 young girls, says he's looking forward to being able to have his daughters vaccinated.
When I think of the alternative, when I think of my children getting one of perhaps the more dangerous variants of COVID-19, that scares me far more than the vaccine does.
Breck Thomas Ross says once her 12-year-old daughter gets her vaccine, it'll open the door for many more opportunities for her and her family.
Probably one of the most positive things that came to mind was, hey, we might be able to actually go travel this summer after she's had her vaccine.
The vaccine is still undergoing clinical trials with children and will need to be proven to work before being granted emergency use authorization. Health leaders say the children are divided into different age groups because 12 through 16-year-olds are physiologically more different than younger children.
The vaccine is most likely going to be effective, but they're looking more for safety for the children than anything else.
Health experts like U of L Health's Dr. Mark Burns and Norton Medical Group's Dr. Joseph Flynn say parents should be confident that these vaccines will be safe and effective for their children.
It is literally the key for us to move on to that next phase of life.
For Julia and her daughter Hazel, that time can't come soon enough. In Louisville, Dennis Sting.
It will certainly be a weight lifted off our family.
WHAS 11 News.